Hey beautiful people out there, I will be reviewing this cool microphone stand named as Wright WR-35 microphone stand. Let me unbox it for you. Okay guys, so here I have this tiny little pivot. So let me unbox it. Okay, what does it do? So basically this will be a thing that will hold this, stand up. So it is really helpful, and it can fit into any object. As you can see, it can fit into any object. Let me focus it for you. Okay guys, so let me introduce this to you. This is pretty little object, and it can hold any kind of dynamic mic, and it is very useful. You can see the length, the elasticity of it. They have given me this small pivot to join it up, and it is very helpful. The next thing that I am going to show you is this pretty little thing. This actually is very cool, and it will help me setting up this little wonder. First I am doing it like this. Okay, let me do it like this. Sorry. Nice, sleek and nice. Great. Okay, the next stuff. It is pretty easy to install it. And next stuff is this. Any kind of dynamic microphone you can attach to it and have fun. And it is like this. You can do it like this. It's really cool. And after installing, I'm going to show you how I'm going to use it. Stay tuned. Hey guys, now I'm gonna actually roll the dice, and here we go. Well, you think that now I'm actually I'm gonna put up a mic and test it whether it is compatible or not. I'm using this microphone, dynamic microphone, and I'm using like this. Whoa, great. See, as you can see, it fits in like this. And hello there, what's up? Hello. I'm so glad that Amazon provided me with this awesome cool stuff, and I'm gonna use it, and I'm gonna flaunt it. So if you guys want to know about the price, it is very cheap. It is under 400 rupees. Go for it, buy it. And for some small scale content creators like us, like of course like people like me, this is a pretty good slick thing. So guys, this was absolutely fun as unboxing the WR Wright microphone stand, and it fits good and it looks good. What do you say? Please let me know in the comment box, and I will be so glad. And also don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos like this.